Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are in the fields of geology, geomorphology, geography, environmental science or GIS, today's tutorial is just for you. We will be walking through how to download geological or lithological shapefiles from Geological Survey of India Bhukosh portal. So let's dive right in. First of all, open your browser and search as GSI. So this is the website gsi.gov.in. Click on here. So this is the website of Geological Survey of India. We know we can download geological map from this map series. Now we are going to download the geological shapefiles. For that, just scroll down the website. You can find this is the Bhukosh portal where we can download geological map in 1:2 million or 1:50,000, geomorphology, then landslide, marine geology, seismotectonic, meteorite, geochronology, lineament, etc. data. For that, you have to click on here the Bhukosh gateway to all geoscientific information of GSI. For those who have not registered in the Geological Survey of India, just click on not a registered user. Then click on register as new external user. You have to fill here your salutation, first name, middle name, last name, your gender, then your username, password, confirm password, your country, your mobile number, pin code, and the purpose of downloading data like laboratory testing or others, etc. And your organization name, email ID and address, and captcha. Then check the I agree button. After reading the terms and conditions, click on the sign up button. So it is very easy for the registration. After completing the registration, you have to put your username and the password here and then click on the login button. From the map quick link, you can find some folders like geology. So here you can find geology in 2 million sheets or geology in 50,000 sheets or geochemistry or geomorphological data from here. For visualize the data, just click on the data and click on the display button and you can find the data for display on here. For downloading the shapefiles of the geological data in 1:2 million or 1:50,000, you have to click on this search button. You can search your location by the keywords or you can use your state and some districts you want to download, and you can find some toposit number for the specific download. If you want that, just check it, otherwise you don't need to do that. You can also draw some rectangle, polygon, line or point for downloading data. For downloading data, then you have to go the browser, click on the maps. You have to check the data you want to download. For the case of geological data of 1:2 million, just click on here and you can find this geology 2M and click this add to download button. You can see the geology 2M is attached here. If you want to download other data, just click on geology 50K and you have to check this lithological data for here and click to add to download button. So geology 2 million and lithology are attached. You can attach up to 10 datasets at one time After that, you can click on the validate button. Okay, so this is the green means the item inside the output area bounding the box. Okay, just scroll down and you can find the output format as Shapefile or GML or GeoJSON file. You can find your email ID here. Then just click on the I agree by clicking this click to see the terms and conditions. Then click on agree button and you can see it is checked. After that, you have to click on the download button. So here it said download links will be sent to your registered email ID once your data download request has been processed successfully. Expect mail notification within few hours. So click on the OK button and you can submit your feedback also by clicking your feedback, then click on submit. Thank you for your feedback, then click on OK. Open your email ID and you can find the data here. So this is the Bhukosh GeoPortal or map data download package. Dear user, your Geospatial or map data package is now available for download. Please click on here to download the package. Just click it here. You can see your download process was started. After completing the download, you just click on show in folder, cut it and paste your native folder, and this is a zip file. You need to extract the data, extract all, click on extract. After selecting the shape file, you can open it in ArcGIS or QGIS. Okay, so this is the data. The first is 1:2 million and the second is 1:50,000 scale. Just open the attribute table. You can see, so there is a lots of attribute here, like the age, then the toposit number also, then the group name, then lithologic or the intrusive scripts, etc, etc. Okay, so just change the color by going to the properties, categorize, and I'm searching as lithologic, add all data, click on apply, then click on OK. So you can see these are the lots of data here. Just zoom in on here. So this is basically a toposit wise. You can avail your data and you can find the geological shapefiles. Just click on the I button and you can find the data. So this is the Dalma group name and the lithology is hematite or magnetite quartzite. So by this process you can download the geological data in shapefiles all over the India at 1:2 million sheets or 1:50,000 sheets. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video will help you for your research purpose. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.